This is the Tech Reviewing Farlander, and what I have for you today is a review of the BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp. The folks at BenQ recognize that my channel is a hotspot for tech news and reviews, so they kindly sent me over a ScreenBar to test out and to share my honest thoughts with you, my viewers. I've put links in the video description to the Amazon product listing, as well as links to BenQ, where you can learn more specifically about the product. Essentially, the ScreenBar is a monitor-mounted LED desk lamp. The phrase e-reading in the product title is, I assume, an SEO keyword grab since the product has no relation to actual e-readers, is not itself an e-reader, nor does it contain any digitized books. The ScreenBar is, however, a lamp that mounts on the top of a computer monitor similar to how a webcam might, and it is powered by a standard USB plug. It's designed in such a way that the light won't glare on your monitor screen or in your eyes while you work. In auto mode, it automatically adjusts the light's brightness and color temperature to match the ambient light in your room. You can also manually adjust the brightness between 300 and 500 lux and 2700 to 6500K color temperature, according to BenQ's documentation. The whole cylinder can also be adjusted and rotated on its mount to give you whatever angle of light you prefer. After a week or so of using it, here are my thoughts. It's honestly a sleek product, and I think a lot of that is owed to its simplicity. It doesn't have any shoehorned-in features, no unnecessary taskbar software to install. I'm looking at you, Logitech. No catchy RGB animated rainbow effects. It's just a desk lamp and doesn't try to be anything more. Setup and use is pretty easy, the touch button controls are responsive, and it doesn't take up any desk space. For myself, I could see it coming in handy as a light source for when I'm streaming something creative on my desk space, like Lego building or, more recently, practicing lockpicking. I could see it most useful in office settings if you have a job where you deal with a lot of paperwork or data entry, or maybe if you're an artist whose workstation is also right in front of their computer desk. Now, my main hesitation about the BenQ ScreenBar is that it retails for $99. It's a $99 desk lamp. Is it worth that? I kind of think so. It seems well made, it's a modern product with smart adaptive brightness features, and it's a clever design, but you'd better pretty much meet its very specific use case scenarios to justify spending that much on a desk lamp. No desk space for a traditional lamp, glossy monitor that catches too much glare, needed the immediate area directly in front of your monitor to be well lit. If you have those specific problems that need to be solved, then the ScreenBar is definitely worth a look. Otherwise, it might be a bit of an unnecessary luxury. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them in the comments below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.